In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily allow or deny websites to use your camera in Safari on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and the first off we need to open up settings. On settings, scroll down until you find Safari, then get into it. And then on Safari, scroll all the way down until you find Camera. That's where we can configure camera access on all websites. By default, Ask option is selected. It means that if we go to some website that wants to get access to our camera, we'll be asked to allow or deny camera access for that particular website. However, we can also switch it to always deny or to always allow. I recommend you to use that option. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.